Hi, I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy, and today I'm going to show you how to generate way more sales in less than 10 minutes. It's very simple. We're going to use a feature in advertising called brand tailored promotions. What this is essentially a system that Amazon set up to target audiences that it's generated, such as those that have added your product to the cart and not purchased it, those that have viewed your products and have moved off the page, etc., etc. And then what we can do is we can actually target these audiences with a coupon. The minimum discount is 10%. And what happens is that once that coupon is applied, those products then start to show up on detail pages, store pages, and things like that. And then the customer is more likely to then purchase your product that you actually lost in the first place. So I'm going to walk you through it, and it's going to take you less than 10 minutes. Okay, starting off in the Amazon Seller Central dashboard, we're going to head over to the drop-down menu, Advertising, Brand Tailored Promotions. Now, you do need to be brand registered for this, so if you don't see it, that could be why. Real quick, if you click Learn More, you can see some of the criteria to make sure you're eligible for it. You can see here that products with no reviews can be placed into this brand tailored promotions. But then if your product does have reviews, it just has to be within a certain range. I mean, hopefully you're reaching over 3 stars for your product. And then other than that, it's really simple to create. Now, the minimum audience size needs to be 1,000, which most sellers will have, but just keep that in mind if you don't see some audiences. Okay, starting off, select your brand. On the right-hand side, we're going to click Create a Tailored Promotion. Now, for the example for this video, we're going to do cart abandonment, but I would honestly recommend creating a goal or a promotion for every single audience that you can. Put in a minimum discount of 10%, which is the minimum, and then let it run. The returns are absolutely insane. I've seen some accounts you spend $40 and they've generated about $1,600 in sales. So the returns are great. Highly recommend it. Going to take less than 10 minutes. Okay, let's walk through it real quick. So select your goal. For this one, we're going to do new customer acquisition. This is where cart abandonments are in. I'm going to select all products because I want this to apply to all my products. If you only want to do specific ones for whatever reason, then select away. Click next. Brand cart abandoners for the last 90 days. So this audience is based on the last 90 days, those that have added my products to the cart but have not purchased. So you can see the audience size is 5,861, which is quite a generous size, but it was December just recently. Some of your accounts will be a lot larger than this. This account in particular is in a category that doesn't have as many searches. So we'll select that and then click next. Promotion name, I keep it simple. I do brand B cart abandoner 10-1. So brand cart abandonment, 10% discount. And this is the first promotion that I'm doing. On the next one, I'll just change that to a 2. But honestly, you can just call this whatever you want. Minimum discount, 10%. Minimum budget, I do 3,000. Never reach the budget. For those larger accounts, I've put in $1,000 budget, and the highest I've actually seen is probably $200. So don't be too concerned with this, and the returns are worth it. Now, here is a tip that I will share with you. Promotion date, you do need to start it, I think, 2 days ahead. So February 1st. You can see it's blanked out for the 30th and the 31st. It's currently the 30th. So select the first available date that you see. Now, the trick, only do it for 30 days. For this example, just February. You can go a lot further, but the problem is when you do that, you cannot create another promotion within that time frame for the same goal or the same audience. So you have to cancel it. And audiences are built throughout that month. So if you only do it for 30 days, after 30 days, set a reminder. You can then create the promotion again and you have even more people in that audience. So select the end of February. and then click submit. Now you can see that the promotion overlaps with another promotion because I currently have one running for this month already. So what would happen here is you'd click submit and then it would say pending activation or whatever until that date comes around, which would be the 2nd of February. And then it runs for the month, set a reminder, and then launch it again. So once again, I highly recommend doing it for every single audience that you can find. So in just new customer acquisition, you have brand cart abandoners, create a promotion. High potential new customers, create a promotion. You can only do one at a time. So it's a little time consuming, but you can have this done in 10 to 20 minutes. And the returns are great. I promise you, this is well worth it. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. All my contact details are in the description below. Thank you.